It's back to school time. So whether your little Einstein is headed out the door to school or headed to the living room for virtual learning, either way, they're gonna need food. And we know that good nutrition helps our kids' behavior, it improves their focus, and helps them to learn and retain new information. So I'm gonna make it easy for you this week. I'm gonna share with you how awesomely simple it can be to build beautiful, delicious, and kid craving lunches. Hey sweet friends, if you're new here, my name's Lauren Valentino and I help women with their nutrition and fitness. And this week we're expanding to help women help their children with nutrition and fitness, because we all know that when the kids are happy, they're learning at school, things run a little smoother at home. So we're gonna dive into how to create easy, healthy lunches for our kids. Now, I want you to shelf the guilt. Kids do not need to be entertained by their food as much as Pinterest would like to guilt us into. And if you love that and you have all the time in the world, awesome. Make your food entertaining for your kids. However, for those of you like me who are super busy and know the importance and value of giving our kids quality nutrition so that their brains can do their job during the day, learning, focusing, and retaining information, I'm gonna make this easy for you. We break it into 3 groups in our house. We like to build brains, we like to build muscles, and then we like to get exposed to all the colors. So we're gonna dive into muscles, colors, and brains this week and how you can do that easily, simply in your kid's lunchbox. So our first category is muscles, and that is where we look to make sure that our kids are getting enough protein every day so that their young bodies and brains can grow and be super strong and super healthy. So protein is broken up into amino acids, and there are 12 of them that are essential that we need to be getting from our nutrition. Now, you may be wondering, okay, well, how much protein does my kid need to get every day? A simple formula to use is to take your kid's body weight, divide it in half, and that's how many grams you're looking for a day. Now, if your kid is 80 pounds, you're gonna wanna make sure that they're getting 40 grams of protein a day. That's gonna be pretty simple as long as you're making sure that you're getting that at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can even have hummus and things like that for a snack to get a little extra boost. But I'm gonna share with you a few of the things that we like to use in our home and that honestly we play on repeat. So I wanna give you a hall pass here, parents, that if your kid loves a couple of items, it's okay to play those on repeat and rotate through those for lunches. Make sure that you're diving into variety and giving your children some variety at dinner time, offering them new foods to try, switching things up. But lunch can be played on repeat. So around here, we like to use no nitrate added, clean deli meat, and we just make sandwiches out of those. We also use rotisserie chicken. I will do bean wraps. So if you don't like to do a ton of animal protein in your home, that's fine. You can use bean wraps or make bean burritos. That seems to go over well in our house. We also have and keep boiled eggs in the refrigerator that will go in the lunchbox from time to time. We also love protein pasta. We do Kodiak cakes. There are so many ways that you can make sure that your kiddo is getting enough protein, but those are a few that we use and that we love. Next is colors. So we definitely know that we want to get exposure to all the vegetables. Vegetables are awesome carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give our bodies energy so that we can feel well, be well, and function well. Also, when we are eating in the colors, we get lots of good fiber and just an awesome bit of exposure, guys, to giving our kids the micronutrients, the vitamins, the minerals that their little bodies need to grow and be strong and be vital. So make sure that you are exposing them to some colors at lunchtime. One of the ones that we love, again, we play it on repeat, is little baby carrots. So easy to pack, so easy to dip in a little ranch dressing. I feel like that one's a pretty easy one to get your kid to use and enjoy. We also do fruit cups, fruit pouches. We do, and then we also utilize the ones that nature wrapped for us, like apples and bananas, grapes, things like that are so easy for your kid to use and take along with them. Little miniature oranges or clementines, those are great as well. And last but not least, we like to build big brains around here. So focusing on getting enough healthy fats in your kid's diet is so vitally important. Now, if you have a child that walks into your kitchen every morning and says, hey, I would really like my spoonful of fish oil before you feed me breakfast, please let me know. I haven't found one of those children yet. I am convinced that at least one is alive out there somewhere. So if that's your kid, send me a DM. I want to know you for sure. But we have to be a little tricky and a little sneaky around here about getting good high quality fats into our kids' nutrition. Now, what's good fats? What's brain power fats? I'm so glad you asked. So saturated fats are the ones that we want to stay away from. Those are the ones that we normally see in processed foods, in refined foods, in cakes and donuts. Those are not so good for our bodies. We want to really focus more on unsaturated fats, polysaturated fats, and then just making sure that we get those in our nutrition plan. So what are some examples of those? We have avocado, we have nuts and seeds are awesome examples of those. Grass-fed butter, we have coconut oil, things like that are really, really great for our bodies and great for our brains. Now, we've developed a little thing around here that you're definitely going to want to check out on my blog. And we have put together what we call brain bites. And I've given you 2 recipes here. They are crowd pleasing and so delicious. And they will nourish and feed your kids' brains. They are, did I say they're delicious? They're so good. I also have included a recipe that is, we call it around here a lemon balm. So, and these are our brain bites. So my kids will ask for brain bites. The lemon balm is awesome. And I mean balm, like a lemon drop. It's like sweet and sour. This one is really great because if you have a child that struggles with ADD or ADHD, one of the ingredients in it is a magnesium powder, which actually helps to calm the nervous system and focus the brain. So let me know how you love that, but make sure that you are getting enough high quality fats into your kids' diet so that you can feed and nourish their super smart brains. Make sure to grab those recipes from the blog and definitely let me know which one your kid liked the best. Hope you guys have an awesome school year. Enjoy and make sure that you get some brain bites. If you grab value here, not good. If you grab value here, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. I do a new training each week to help you love your life, be healthy, and enjoy the body that you live in. See you next week, guys.